Hello and welcome to this tour of a 2,860 square foot triplex 2-bedroom townhouse apartment in the well sought after Grand building. We're right now on the roof terrace, the 3rd floor. Over there's park. Round to the right we have tennis court and soon to be paddle court. Up there's the communal pool, and just behind here is the gym, which is very nice. Has all the equipment you need, from squatting rack, bench press, etc. To cardio machines as well. Just walking down the stairs, we're gonna head to the 2nd floor. We are going a little bit backwards here. The 2nd floor has the 2 bedrooms. So into the hallway with bedroom number 1. This bedroom is ensuite, as is the master of course, with sink, shower, high quality finish, built-in wardrobe, and the bedroom itself. Both bedrooms benefit from very impressive views of ocean and downtown, and across the way, fishing market on the other side of the creek, and the private balcony terrace space as well, which is lovely. Head through to the master bedroom, again of good size, private balcony, the walking track just in front of us around the creek and downtown across the water. Head through to the master ensuite, lots of wardrobe space in this one. His and her sink, bath, like this marble finish for the sink and the bath. Let's head downstairs to the living area. Actually on our left as well, worth mentioning, we have the washing and drying space, also a bit of storage space, maybe for shoes and stuff like that. The Grand building is very unique because it's on the tip of the harbour, meaning it's got the best views. Only really challenging is the address next door, but also having the address next door is a bonus, as you can go for coffee, food, etc. there. So if we start at the front door, just for ease, down here, we have more storage space here for shoes, etc. As we enter on the left from the front door, we have the guest bathroom, powder room. To the right, we have the kitchen, just waiting for appliances, fridge and oven. And then we have the dining and living area here with a little service bar just there. This is more the living area I'd expect for your couch, TV. And a 4th terrace space, more for entertaining and socialising than the private upstairs ones, with guests and friends, while still having the view of the ocean and downtown.